Hello everyone! Today we're going to unbox and review one of the most popular budget camera drones, the Zino Mini Pro. If you're planning to buy a compact drone with good video quality, make sure you watch this till the end. So let's start with the unboxing. As soon as you open the box, the first thing you'll notice is how neatly everything is packed. Right on top, you get the Zino Mini Pro drone itself, which looks very compact and lightweight. The design feels premium despite being a budget drone. Inside the box, you'll also find the remote controller, which is solid and comfortable to hold. Then you get a set of propellers, a charging cable, battery, and some basic documentation, like user manual and setup guide. Overall, the unboxing experience feels clean and professional. Everything is well organized, and you don't feel like you're using a cheap product. Now, once you take the drone in your hand, you immediately notice how light it is. This makes it very easy to carry while traveling. The foldable design is also very convenient, so you can pack it quickly and take it anywhere. Alright, now let's move towards the most important part, the camera quality. The Zino Mini Pro comes with a 4K Ultra HD camera, and honestly, the quality is quite impressive for its price range. It captures sharp details, good colors, and decent dynamic range, especially in daylight conditions. The best part is the 3-axis gimbal, which keeps your footage smooth and stable. Even if there is slight wind or movement, the video remains steady and looks cinematic. In terms of video resolution, it can record up to 4K, which is perfect for YouTube, social media, and even semi-professional projects. If you lower the resolution, you can get smoother frame rates as well. Now, talking about real-world performance, in outdoor conditions, the camera performs really well. You get clear landscapes, balanced exposure, and natural colors. For travel videos and vlogging, this is more than enough. It also has AI tracking, which allows the drone to follow you automatically. This is extremely useful if you are recording yourself without any help. When it comes to flight time, you get around 35 to 40 minutes, which is actually very good for a drone in this category. This means you can shoot multiple clips without worrying too much about battery. The GPS system helps in maintaining stable flight, and features like return to home make it safer, especially for beginners. Now overall, if we talk about camera quality and performance, I would say this drone delivers really good HD and 4K video for its price. It may not compete with very high-end drones, but for its category, the results are impressive. So, if you are a beginner, a YouTuber, or someone who loves travel and wants cinematic shots without spending too much money, the Zino Mini Pro is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.